From one Bowser alum to another, fight night just over 2 weeks away for the IBF light heavyweight champ and Toledo native Robert Easter Jr. Want to check lightweight champ. Want to make sure I get that right. I'm not good at math. Now, we've witnessed him defend his title twice here in the Glass City. No question that was nice, but this fight is about to get bumped up. No home ring advantage. He'll fight at the Barclays Center in Brooklyn on pay-per-view. His opponent is 33-1 Javier Fortuna. Easter gearing up today with 32 straight minutes of constant movement in the ring.
This is another stepping stone, somebody in the way. You know, a former world champion, two-time world champion at that. Trying to reinvent himself and trying to get another title, but he's coming against the wrong test right here. You know, coming off a win, you know, late June, I believe, in Toledo, Ohio. And I've been ready to fight ever since. You know, looking forward to fighting in front of the East Coast fans, my East Coast fans. You know, I got a lot of fans out there, and just excited, real excited.
What do you know about Javier Fortuna?
Only thing I know, he's been knocked out. That's the only thing I know. And I'm going to be the second one to do it too. So, yeah, I really don't know much about him. But like I said, he's another awkward opponent, and he's coming to fight.